everyone, so today I'm going to be making slime and show you how to make it. So yeah, first of all you need PVA glue, boom, but this is like got barely any in it. I bought this one which I've never used. It's not full stock though, I did do some crafts. So food colouring and Bormel, biological from Aldi, Lidl. You can get it from Lidl. So I'm pouring glue in. It may take a while because it's almost run out. Oh, there we go. It's coming. As you can see, teeny bits coming. So it's definitely not like all of the bottom. Should have pushed it and balanced it on top before I started the video, but it doesn't matter. I put this in a separate container than the big 4 ml bottle. I just think it's easy to come out. So yeah, I'm having a bit of trouble getting the glue, but if I do run out, I'll have to turn these into. Basically what I'm going to be doing is making slime, and I'm also going to be testing a few different slimes instead of using glue. Things that you could use or things that will 100% work. And I'm not sure if this will 100% work. So, sorry it's taking so long. I'm not going to be making a big bit of slime. So. Just going to leave it like upside down for a while. There's quite a bit in there. So, yeah, upside down. So, I'm going to be making my slime yellow, and you'll need a spoon and a bowl. So yeah, I think we'll just use a teeny bit. So then put in your food dye. So I added in probably even too much, but that doesn't matter. And then what I want to do is stir it all together. Oh, that's some nice bright yellow. And add in your formula. Well, look at the bowl. Oh, that's probably too much. And if you're making a small batch, make sure you definitely can't add in too much formula. Oh, it's working. I've never actually used this glue before to make slime. I've always used this one, and I didn't even have to use this one in the video because it's running out. In my next video, you'll see me with some new glue because I really do need some new glue. Just mix. If this doesn't work, I'll try another recipe, but it is working. It's going to be very sticky for now first. It's going to be very sticky for now. Look, it's working, but it's super duper sticky. Never play with slime too early, because nightmares can happen. There we go. So basically your slime should just clump up and it should stretch. There we go. You'll want to mould it for a while, just like me. I made like a tiny amount just because I was running out of glue. You can see it's getting teeny. Easy to stretch, and I did not add shaving foam because I think when you add shaving foam, after a while it gets all wet because the shaving foam melts. So, and it feels like fluffy slime already. So, then voila, here is your yellow slime. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please comment what should I do, and I am going to be doing a slime giveaway. If you would like some slime, please comment down below. I want some slime and I will post it to you. And in my next video, we might be revealing who wins. I'm not sure. Please comment, like the video, and please subscribe. It would mean the world to me if you did. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like if you made that slime successfully. Bye!